Welcome to our channel. Today we'll walk you through the exact steps to activate PlayStation Plus Premium quickly and effortlessly. Welcome to our channel. If you've been wondering how to activate PlayStation Plus Premium on your PlayStation console, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can start enjoying all the benefits this subscription offers without delay. First, ensure your console is connected to the internet and powered on. From the main menu, navigate to the PlayStation Store using your controller. Once in the store, look for the PlayStation Plus section, which is prominently displayed near the top, or can be found via the search function by typing PlayStation Plus Premium. Next, select the PlayStation Plus Premium subscription option. Here, you will see the subscription details including pricing and available benefits. Confirm that this is the tier you want, then proceed to checkout. If you haven't already, you will need to sign in with your PlayStation Network account or create one to continue. After signing in, choose your payment method. PlayStation supports various options such as credit debit cards, PayPal, or redeemable codes. Add your payment details and confirm the purchase. Once the transaction is successful, your PlayStation Plus Premium subscription will be activated immediately. To verify, return to the main menu and open your account settings. Under Subscriptions, you should see your PlayStation Plus Premium plan active and ready to use. Now you can access Premium Online Multiplayer, a vast library of downloadable games, exclusive discounts, and the latest early access trials. Keep your console updated to take full advantage of any new offers that come with your membership. Activating PlayStation Plus Premium is straightforward and designed to get you gaming faster. Follow these steps anytime you want to upgrade or renew your subscription. Don't forget to familiarize yourself with the monthly game rotation and extra perks included in your plan. For any issues, the PlayStation support website offers helpful resources and direct assistance.